for the paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meters square. So for example, from here, right, the paint in this can paint an area equal to this much. All right, how many bricks of dimensions can be painted out of this? All right, they've given us the dimension of the brick length, breadth, and height. So how do you do this? We first have to know the total surface area of one brick. All right, we'll get it from here by writing the formula. Once I know the total surface area of one brick, I just have to divide it with this. Okay, then I'll get a total number of bricks. So given length, breadth, and this will be height. All right, so now the total surface area that can be painted from the container, they've given us 9.375 meters square. Right, I'm going to convert this meter square into centimeter, and here I've written 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. But if you look at this meter square, right, that is why I have to multiply 100 2 times. Okay, and when you multiply these three, you're going to get 93750 centimeter square. And like I said, now let us find our total surface area of one brick. Right, we know the formula: 2 times length breadth plus breadth height plus height length. That means what? We have to take all the faces. All right, up, down, left, right, front, and back. So let's start putting the value. Length is 22.5, height is 10, then breadth is 10, then breadth is 10, height is 7.5, then length is 22.5, and the height is 7.5. So if I multiply these two, I'm going to get 225. If you multiply these two, you'll get 75, and if you multiply these two, I'll get 168.75. Now if you add these three, you'll get 468.75. Lastly, we just have to multiply 2 into 468.75, and then so I'm going to get a total surface area of one brick to be 937.5. Now we just have to divide it to get a total number of bricks. You can see here, so total area painted by the container's paint divided by total surface area of one brick. Right, so I've written the values which we already know. Now I'll try to remove this point. Right, so what happens? It will 9375 divided by 10. That is how you remove the point. Right, now if you look up here, what is there? We have 93750. So if I try to change this division into multiplication, what will I get? 93750. Remember that these two will have to change their places. Right, up will go down, down will go up. So 10 is in the denominator, it will go up now, and then this 9375 is in the numerator, it will go down. All right, so that is how I'm getting this line here. Right, then 9375 into 10 times, I'll get 93750. If you multiply 10 into 10, you're going to get 100, which means from that paint that contains paint, from the container that contains the paint, I can paint how many bricks? 100 bricks can be painted.